Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my wild styled classic size happy planner. I am super excited. This is my wellness planner and I am going to be continuing using my Beauty in Florals. I think this is so beautiful. And the sticker book is just incredible, so I continue using this for the month of April. And I don't know if you guys know, but I pick one sticker book per month in my wellness, and I continually use the same sticker book in that planner. Okay, I do want to cover up April, so I'm going to use undo to move the sticker up to cover up that April peach line. And while I'm doing that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, I appreciate you so much. And if you are new, visiting for the first time, thank you for stopping in. Hopefully you like it here enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm going to wait for that other side to dry, and meanwhile I am going to put some journaling prompts. Once in a while I will journal in this planner on top of keeping my food log, so that's something that happens on occasion. So here we go. So I'm gonna move that sticker up and cover April, and that should do it. I think that looks great. Oh, I really love this. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna continue pulling out stickers out of this book and spreading them all around. And while I do this, I just hope everybody's having a great week and a great weekend. We are approaching spring, at least in the United States, because I know I have some subscribers from different parts of the world, but where I am at, we are having tiny little leaves springing up everywhere, and it just makes me so hopeful and joyous. And yep, I did start my new job and I love it. So far I love it. It's a incredible environment to be in, and just the difference of feeling less stressed, but being able to do probably even more work than I was doing is still a little bit magical to me. I don't understand how the amount of work has not changed, but my stress levels are completely different. So I think it's the people I work with. They are just magicians and they make you feel welcome and wonderful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a flower underneath that box. Those are my arrangements. You really just need a little bit on your page to make it look incredible. I'm gonna do the same thing on Thursday. And I am using the Uni-Ball Signa white pen to go ahead and remove some of the lines. I think that works pretty great. And let's take a look. Do you guys have a favorite sticker book in this or a favorite sticker in this book? I really do think they did such a great job designing this one, and the sophisticated florals. Pleasantly surprised. So the new release I am completely obsessed with. I'm not sure if you guys have the same feelings about it. I know that I've seen some posts that people were not impressed with the new Happy Planner release. Well, to me, it's almost like if the Happy Planner has grown up. So That's the huge difference for me. The stickers are a little bit more sophisticated and a little bit more geared towards professionals, and that's what I truly love. So if you guys are on the same page with me, I am so happy. And if you're not, I understand, because everybody has a style, and this happens to be mine, where I like the stick. I don't really use stickers with animation very much, as you guys noticed. I use lots of flowers, but I also use other kinds of stickers. I don't mind doodles, but I do mind, like, I haven't done a single Disney spread. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but that's just not me. I really like those, and eventually I might do like the princess, the grown-up princesses, but for the time being, nothing. I haven't done a single one. Okay, it's almost done, right? I just need to add a few more things to the spread. Let me add that to the planner and see what it looks like. Sometimes I just need a little bit more of a visual inside of my planner from up top to see if it's balanced. And I think I can add another cluster of flowers, but not much more than that. So let's go ahead and do it. I really like these washi strips, and I was thinking of adding those. But again, not completely sure, because that might be a bit too much. So I am going to remove that, put it back, and save it for another time. I do like them a lot, and I'm sure I'll be using them very soon. Okay, I'm thinking of maybe adding a few of these. You are kind. And you are okay. Let's see how this would look. I'm not sure. I might like them, I might not. We shall see what happens. You are rare, you are brave. I don't think this looks very good. At least not to me. This, no. This will have to go. So, back to undo. We're gonna undo half of the page, but that's okay. That's just how I am with my creative process, and sometimes that's what it takes. Sometimes it just takes a full spread of undo or half a spread of undo. I'm gonna put those back in the book, and I am going to start working on a plan B to fill up either Monday or Tuesday, and that's Saturday, to make it a little bit fuller. So I cut a flower in half, and I'm gonna kind of keep it in a box. Sometimes I keep them in a box, sometimes I don't. It depends on how I feel that day when I'm creating a spread. And then I can add the other half from this journaling standpoint, and I can add a few branches, and I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Let me know down below what you think, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!